Why this 2022 question looks easy, but it actually destroys the attempt. This is CSAT Trap number 5, which is part of the CSAT Trap series. Now, in this particular video, we would be looking at a question. So let's directly jump into it. Towards the end, I'll also give you the course detail of our current courses. Now, on one side of 1.01 kilometer long road, the length is 1.01 kilometer or 1.01 into 1000 meters. यहाँ से आपने पॉइंट हटाया, 2 zeros आ गए, एलिमिनेट करा. दिस इज 1010 मीटर्स. या तो आप किलोमीटर पे बात करो या फिर मीटर्स पे बात करो. दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू. 101 plants are planted at equal distance. कितने plants है? 101. Okay. What is the total distance between 5 consecutive plants? तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के लिए आई शुड हैव द गैप वैल्यू. ये जो अपने प्लांट्स यहाँ पे प्लांट करे हैं, द गैप शुड बी इक्वल डिस्टेंस, विच मीन्स व्हाट इज द गैप. एंड आइडियली गैप इज जनरली कैलकुलेटेड एज डिस्टेंस अपॉन नंबर. तो डिस्टेंस है मेरे लिए 1010 अपॉन नंबर मैं देख रहा हूँ 101 प्लांट्स. तो यहाँ पे गैप आ गया मेरे लिए 10 मीटर्स का. मुझे 5 प्लांट्स के बीच में गैप देखना है. तो लेट्स से दिस इज द फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ प्लांट. I'll take 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters, 40 meters. I'll mark option A. And this is where I'll go wrong. 40 meter is not the correct answer. Then where did we actually fall into the trap? The trap is in finding the gap. The gap is never by d by n. It is always d by n minus 1. So it should be d by n minus 1, which is 1010 upon 100. And ideally it is 10.1 meters. अब अगर गैप 10.1 meters का है, the answer between 5 such plants we have 40.4 as our correct fit. तो this is where we may go wrong. आपको इसको बेहतर तरीके से समझना है, तो let's understand this. मान लो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि बिटवीन 3 प्लांट्स और आपके पास जो स्ट्रेच है वो 100 मीटर्स का है. तो आप अगर 100 मीटर के स्ट्रेच पे 3 प्लांट्स लगा रहे हैं तो गैप आप कैसे निकालेंगे? इज इट 100/3 विच इज 33.33. लेट्स सी. दिस इज आवर 100 मीटर स्ट्रेच. आई प्लांट द फर्स्ट प्लांट हियर, द सेकेंड वन एट द सेंटर एंड द थर्ड वन एट द लास्ट. तो गैप क्या आइडियली निकल के आ रहा है? 50 मीटर्स. बट यहाँ पे विद द हेल्प ऑफ फॉर्मूला ये निकल के आ रहा है. तो इस फॉर्मूला को रेक्टिफाई करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप d बाई n माइनस 1 करके देखो, आपका रिजल्ट चेंज हो जाएगा और वो एक्यूरेट होगा. 100/2 विच इज़ 50 मीटर्स एंड दैट इज़ आवर एक्चुअल गैप. तो इस पूरे वीडियो का लर्निंग क्या है? लर्निंग इज गैप और कॉन्जिक्यूटिव गैप इज कैलकुलेटेड एज डिस्टेंस by n minus 1 and never d by n. If we know this, then we would not be marking it differently. Hello everyone, I hope you liked the video. So we have predicted 35 questions out of 53 questions for the year 2024, and our predicted questions were also part of the year 2025, wherein 37 out of 51 questions were actually from our practice sheets 1, practice sheet 2 and the full length test series that we have for every year. Even for this year, we have this test series going on. You wish to enroll, you can get in touch with us on our WhatsApp. Now, these videos are actually the detailed proof video of these 35 questions and 37 questions. In this video, I'll attach the link. You can actually go through them. Now, if you wish to know more about our test series planner that we have, so let's quickly look at them. So we have a test series starting today, that is 1st of March. We would be doing the year 2024, all the QA plus LR questions. So we have around 53 questions from this. So in this, we have classified the questions as doable, moderate and difficult. Now why this is important? For you to understand कि यार ये question ना difficult है. This question is on the moderate level. I can actually attempt it. This question seems to be very difficult. So exam scenario, given the CSAT trend, we can actually leave these questions. But if you don't have that idea कि which questions are what, तो आपको problem आएगी. आपको problem ना आए, therefore we are dividing this set into these many categories. This is for the year 2024. What I have done, I have differentiated the questions into doable, moderate and difficult. So if I classify this, there was only one question that was difficult in exam scenario. Other than that, most of them were doable and a lot of them were actually doable questions. आपको ये with question numbers. So if you feel okay, from number system, what were the exact questions that were doable? So I'll go to question number 9, question number 10, question number 15, 17 and so on. And I can actually look at these questions and see, okay, these were the doable ones, these were the moderate ones and these were the difficult. That is how you can actually prepare your, yourself for these upcoming examination. We have this for every year, not just for 2024. We would be doing this for 23, 25, 21, 22 and 20 as well, and for the upcoming years as well. We'll do the same structure for our full length test as well. If you wish to enroll, this is our pricing. Currently, we are running some offers on this. Do get in touch with us on our WhatsApp number. You have my WhatsApp number with you. That is my student friendly WhatsApp number. All right. See you all. Happy learning.